World of John John. How to replace a alternator in a 97 Monte Carlo LS 3.1. What you doing right there? That's the bracket?
This one bracket, this the other one.
You know, that hole right there was too, it won't lining up. But it looked like that shit had some more room to go down though. So that's why I was that's why I had that bitch on that.